Here we are at the InterContinental Hotel in Miami, 653 rooms. And today we're standing in this beautiful, luxurious lobby, surrounded by Toro Toro restaurant, Starbucks, and 100,000 square feet of banquet space. But today, we are gonna see their $40 million renovation, a complete redo of all their hallways and rooms. So come take a look with us at what they've done. The InterContinental Hotel in Miami has recently undergone a $40 million renovation. This update isn't just about luxury interiors. It captures the energy of downtown Miami while offering serene views of Biscayne Bay. Now that we're inside the hotel, you can see where the $40 million went. They've got all new carpets, brand new art from local artists, new wallpaper. It gives a sense of luxury throughout. It's a really nice upgrade, especially when you're staying here. You feel the difference. Let's go take a look at a room. All right, here we are at the brand new king room here at the InterContinental Hotel. 400 square feet is what all the standard rooms are, so much bigger than your average room. What I love about this renovation is the attention to detail across the room. The carpets that you can see here bring in that coastal vibe. They've got artwork that comes from local artists across the room, and they tie it in to these beautiful views you have of Biscayne Bay. You've got a great area to hang out and lounge, also to have some room service, plus a great desk to work at, which is key now, especially when you're traveling. You want a good place to sit up. Now, the bathroom is probably my favorite part of this renovation. You can tell that they took a lot of time and truly made it a place that you want to hang out. As you can walk in, you really feel that it is a big space. You've got plenty of closet space to put all of your belongings, especially with your family, which I love seeing how they use this space here. And plus this shower. Now, this is a big shower for a hotel, and it's luxurious. What I love seeing is that they took the time to put the handle over here so you can test the water features before you get drenched, so you don't have to reach over here. So kudos to the InterContinental team of thinking about all the small details that you see across the hotel. It was an honor to be one of the first to experience this transformation. The attention to detail is exceptional, showcasing the best in hotel design. We're excited to return for another visit soon. So if you like what you saw today, make sure to contact us at the Hospitality Mentor. Our team will set you up like the VIP that you're supposed to be.